I'm going to show you how I get those waves that I showed in the previous clip. I just do 2 French braids. This is what it will look like, and I will show you guys how I braid my hair. I also use the Marc Anthony curl gel. So once my hair is 90% dry, I divide it down the middle into 2 parts, and I take a thin strand. The thinner, the tighter the waves will be. And I take this piece, take 2 fingers and split it into 3 pieces. I take the front piece and cross it over the middle. Take the back piece, cross it over the middle. And now we're gonna add hair. So front piece and then adding a thin slice of hair. And then we're gonna take the back piece, take a thin slice from the back as well, and then cross it over the middle. And we're gonna do this all the way down. Okay, so once you get to the bottom and you've taken all the hair, you now just go into a normal 3-strand braid. All right guys, so it's the next day. I sleep on my braids, and then after I do my makeup, I take them out and then hairspray. So that's what we're gonna quickly do.